So our next lesson is on learning what the contrapositive of a conditional statement is. So we're going to start with our conditional statement similar to our last videos. If measure of angle B is equal to 98 degrees, then measure of angle B is obtuse. Now, to write the contrapositive, you basically write the converse first, which you remember is just the reversal of the hypothesis and the conclusion, and then you negate both of them. So I'm going to write here the contrapositive to explain what I'm saying. So if measure of angle B is not obtuse, then measure of angle B is not 98 degrees. So you can see here what the contrapositive is. It's basically just the converse and then negation. So it's the converse and negation. So if you're unsure of any of these, just go watch our last videos on what the converse and negation are to help you understand this video. So I hope this was clear and simple. I like to keep my videos very short and to the point. If you like the video, comment and subscribe.